Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this one we've got some art of Martin Abel books. We've got Omnibus and Nightmares and Visions. So we are going to start with Omnibus. This one is the older of the two. It is a hardback, so a quick look at the front and back. You will also notice that they are numbered, so I guess these are kind of part of a set. This is book 1, the other one's got a number 2 on it. I don't think these sort of follow on directly from one another or anything like that. I think it's more that it was his first, maybe his first art book, and then his second art book, obviously. So I'm getting straight into this. This one now is quite an old book. I think these drawings, it says at the end, or these paintings, are from 2012, but we'll see as we get to the end. And this next one that we're going to show will be like 2014 to 2015-ish. Don't quote me, we'll find out soon enough. But my point from that is, whilst these drawings are really nice, you can see in Martin's newer work, or if you follow him on social media, you can see that his skills have improved quite a lot since. You can tell in his style. But don't get me wrong, some of these are still really nice. The next one, you can see his skills have improved from the second book, or to the second book from this first one. There may be some nudity throughout either of these books, by the way. Nothing rude, probably just a bit of topless girls, seeing as that is the basis of these books, or at least this first one seems primarily to be pin-up girls. So they're not huge page counts, as mentioned. I think these ones usually equate to like 48 with these kind of books. And I have actually previewed some of Martin's newer books on camera as well, the Wanderings book, or it was Wanderings book 2 that I showed on camera, which I believe is still available to buy, so I will put links to his website in the description box below. I think he's also got like digital versions as well that you can buy. And I've also got book 1, but I haven't previewed that on camera yet, but maybe if there's enough interest. But this one, Omnibus, is the older of the two, as mentioned. I don't think it's that easy to get hold of. It's not that it's an expensive copy or anything, it's just there aren't that many of them. If I find any, I will put links in the description box below. But yeah, keep an eye out for them. Okay, so I was wrong. These are starting way further back than 2012. Some of them go back as far as 2008. In fact, one at the top says 2005, so some of these are definitely older ones. Okay, so number 2 here, book 2, as mentioned. A quick look at the front and the back of this one. This one, again, is available as a digital copy as well, I believe. I actually got this from Martin directly on his Kickstarter for the new Wanderings 2 book, as mentioned before. But again, I think these were just some that he had some spare copies of. He may still have some copies. Last time I asked, he did. So it might be worth either looking on his website or messaging him maybe on Instagram or something. Again, I'll put links to his social media profiles and his website in the description box below. You might also notice that, or you might recognise Martin even if you're not familiar with his work, if you're a fan of the 3D Total art books. Again, I've got quite a few preview videos already of 3D Total books, but 2 that come to mind just that I had on hand next to me here are the character collection books, Heroines and Fairy Tales and Folklore. I haven't recorded the second one, but this first one I do have a video on. Again, I'll put links below. I would have recorded the other one, but there's already a couple of videos on YouTube, so it's a little bit pointless me doing that. So as well as being in 3D Total books and having his own books like this, he also has a Patreon page where he also does like digital sketchbooks. I don't have any of those ones yet, but I really want to get my hands on it, so I am very much tempted to support him on Patreon. It seems like a really good deal as well. For whatever reason, I absolutely love Martin's work. I just find it really inspiring. Always makes me want to sort of stylize stuff, pick up a pencil and draw. Yeah, so give him a follow on social media if you're into this kind of stuff. Obviously support the artist and all that good stuff. I've shown plenty of the books. There's still pages I haven't showed. He has other art books as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful if you were thinking about buying the books. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that I can keep making more content like this. Thanks for watching.